Have you ever felt a profound shift in your life, as if you were awakening to a new understanding of yourself and the world? Let's explore the 5 stages that there are to your astral projection and help you identify which stage you might be in. Astral projection begins with a sensation like floating or weightlessness. It's the starting point where you feel detached from your physical body, like you're drifting in space. This floating feeling is crucial because it indicates that you're entering a different state of consciousness. Think of it as dipping your toes into the pool of astral exploration. To reach this stage, relaxation techniques are key. It's about calming your mind and body, letting go of tension, and allowing yourself to enter a meditative state. When you're relaxed, your mind becomes more receptive to the subtle energies and experiences of the astral realm. It's like preparing the soil before planting seeds. Relaxation sets the stage for deeper exploration. Floating serves as a precursor to deeper astral experiences. It's like opening a door to a vast, unexplored realm. When you float, you're on the threshold of something profound. This sensation primes your mind for what's to come, signaling that you're ready to journey beyond the confines of the physical world. But floating isn't just a physical sensation, it's also a mental one. It's about letting go of earthly concerns and embracing the unknown. This stage teaches you to surrender to the experience, to trust in the process of astral projection. It's like learning to swim in a new dimension, where the rules of reality are different. Fear is a common hurdle on the path of astral projection. As you delve into this realm of consciousness, you may encounter fears and apprehensions that hold you back. These fears can range from fear of the unknown to fear of losing control, or even fear of encountering negative entities. But fear doesn't have to stop you. There are strategies you can employ to overcome these obstacles and continue your journey. One approach is grounding techniques. Grounding helps you feel connected to the present moment and anchored in your physical body. It's like rooting yourself to the earth, providing a sense of stability and security amidst the vastness of the astral realm. Affirmations are another powerful tool for overcoming fear. By repeating positive statements such as, "I am safe and protected," or "I am capable of exploring the astral realm with confidence," you can reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in your abilities and dispel fear. Confronting fear is essential for progress in astral projection. Rather than avoiding or suppressing your fears, face them head-on. Understand that fear is a natural response to the unknown, but it doesn't have to control you. By acknowledging and accepting your fears, you can diminish their power over you and move forward with courage and determination. Consistency is key when it comes to practicing astral projection. Like any skill, the more you practice, the better you become. Regular practice helps you become familiar with the sensations and techniques involved in astral projection, making it easier to enter the astral realm. Think of consistency as laying the foundation for your astral journey. Each practice session builds upon the last, gradually strengthening your connection to the astral realm and deepening your understanding of its mysteries. By making astral projection a regular part of your routine, you enhance your ability to enter the astral realm more easily and effectively. It's like building muscle memory. The more you practice, the more effortless it becomes to slip into a meditative state and project your consciousness beyond the physical body. Discipline and dedication are essential aspects of consistency. It's about committing to your practice even when it feels challenging or you don't see immediate results. Trust that progress takes time and that each practice session brings you closer to your goals. Consistency also fosters spiritual growth. As you immerse yourself in the practice of astral projection, you develop a deeper connection to your higher self and the universe. It's like tending to a garden with consistent care and attention. You nurture the seeds of your spiritual awakening, allowing them to blossom and flourish over time. As you progress in your astral projection journey, you'll reach a stage where you achieve a delicate balance between conscious awareness and detachment from the physical body. This stage is crucial because it allows you to maintain awareness of your astral experience without prematurely waking your physical body. Think of it as walking a tightrope. You're fully present in the astral realm, yet you're also aware of your physical body's state. This balance requires focus and concentration, like holding a delicate flower without crushing its petals. Techniques for maintaining this balance include deepening your meditation practice, refining your visualization skills, and honing your ability to enter altered states of consciousness. By cultivating these skills, you can navigate the astral realm with clarity and purpose without being pulled back into the waking world. It's important to keep your mind clear and focused during this stage. Avoid letting stray thoughts or distractions disrupt your astral experience. Think of it as maintaining a steady course on a ship amidst choppy waters. Stay centered, and you'll navigate the astral realm with ease. At the same time, be mindful not to awaken your physical body prematurely. This requires a delicate touch, like tiptoeing through a quiet room without disturbing its occupants. By staying relaxed and calm, you can prolong your astral experience and delve deeper into its mysteries. As you advance in your astral projection journey, you'll reach a stage where you gain control over your movement and direction within the astral realm. This stage marks a significant milestone, empowering you to consciously explore and interact with the vast expanse of the astral realm. Controlling the direction of your astral flight involves harnessing the power of your intention and visualization. It's like steering a ship with your mind, directing your astral body towards specific destinations or experiences. One technique for controlling your astral flight is visualization. By vividly imagining your desired destination or trajectory, you can guide your astral body with precision and clarity. It's like painting a picture in your mind and then stepping into that canvas to explore its depths. Intention setting is another powerful tool for controlling your astral flight. By setting clear intentions before entering the astral realm, you can focus your energy and attention on specific goals or experiences. It's like charting a course before setting sail. You have a clear direction in mind, guiding your journey towards fulfillment. As you gain mastery over your astral flight, you'll discover the profound joy and liberation that comes with conscious exploration. It's like spreading your wings and soaring through the boundless sky, free from the constraints of the physical world. But with great power comes great responsibility. As you navigate the astral realm, remember to approach each experience with reverence and respect. It's like exploring a sacred temple. Tread lightly and honor the mysteries that unfold before you. Now that we've explored the 5 stages of astral projection, it's time to reflect on your own experiences and identify which stage resonates with your current practice. Take a moment to consider the sensations and experiences you've encountered during your astral projection journeys. Do you often feel a sense of floating or weightlessness at the beginning of your practice? Or perhaps you've struggled with overcoming fear and apprehension as you venture into the astral realm. Recognizing the signs and sensations associated with each stage can help deepen your understanding of where you are in your astral projection journey. Whether you're just beginning to float into the realm of astral exploration, or you've gained control over the direction of your astral flight, each stage offers its own unique challenges and opportunities for growth. If you find yourself unsure of which stage you're in, don't worry. Astral projection is a personal and subjective experience, and everyone progresses at their own pace. Trust in your intuition and inner guidance to lead you towards the stage that aligns with your current practice. To advance in your journey of astral projection, here are some practical tips to help you navigate through the stages. Make astral projection a regular part of your daily routine. Dedicate time each day to practice relaxation techniques, meditation, and astral projection exercises. Consistency is key to mastering astral projection and deepening your connection to the astral realm. Stay present and attentive throughout each stage of the astral projection process. Pay close attention to the sensations in your body, the thoughts in your mind, and the energy surrounding you as you journey through the astral realm. Developing mindful awareness can help you stay grounded and focused during your astral experiences. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced practitioners or resources to enhance your understanding and progress in astral projection. Attend workshops or seek out mentors who can offer valuable insights and support on your journey. Learning from others' experiences can help you navigate challenges and accelerate your growth in astral projection. Trust in yourself and your inner guidance as you navigate through the stages of astral projection. Listen to your intuition, follow your instincts, and remain open to the infinite possibilities that await you in the astral realm. Your intuition can serve as a valuable compass, guiding you towards meaningful experiences and spiritual growth. By incorporating these tips into your practice and remaining open to the experiences that unfold, you can continue to progress through the stages of astral projection and unlock profound insights and spiritual growth. So trust in yourself, stay committed to your practice, and let your consciousness soar to new heights of exploration and discovery. As we conclude our exploration of the 5 stages of astral projection and the practical tips for progression, remember that astral projection is a personal and transformative journey. By recognizing the signs and sensations associated with each stage and implementing consistent practice, mindful awareness, seeking guidance, and trusting your intuition, you can navigate through the realms of consciousness with confidence and clarity. Embrace the infinite possibilities that await you in the astral realm, and may your astral journey be filled with profound insights, transformative experiences, and boundless exploration. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.